How to put background out of focus in Instagram story. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to put the background out of focus, there is one way to achieve it. In order to do so, first and foremost, tap on Instagram. Once you tap on it, swipe towards the right to open the camera. Then after select the background. Now what you have to do is click on the three dots on the top right corner. Then tap on draw and it will give you new options. Now from here choose the third option and then select the color white. Once that is done, long press on the screen and you will notice that the color will be changed. It will be sort of blur, which means the background will be out of focus. Similarly, you can choose other colors as well and then tap on the tick button which is on the top right. And once this is done, you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.